Good afternoon, everyone, and this is Vinod from XLookup, your YouTube channel. And today we are about to see the new formula called XLookup. We are not going to go too deep into it. We are about to see a one-point part of XLookup. So in our data today, we are about to see how to work with XLookup, and those who are new user for Office 365, we welcome you with XLookup. XLookup was not a function added earlier to our March series. Earlier than that, we don't have XLookup of any of the new formulas that we have in our Insider Edition. Now, XLookup is available for all Office 365 users. So let's see how to use an XLookup. So I have a data here. I have set of orders here, and I'm about to use two different formulas. The first formula that we always use is V LOOKUP, and for this XLookup, it works like our lookup function. So let me add one more additional column to our data and show the differences what I'm going to do with V LOOKUP and XLookup and normal lookup. So I'm going to start with the V LOOKUP functionality, and this is the lookup value. And when I do work with V LOOKUP, I have to select the whole column here. And then press an F4, comma. Now I want to take the quantity here. So the quantity comes on the fourth column. So I've just numbered it on top for our referential purposes, 4 and comma 0, close bracket, and enter. Here we go, we got our number. So if I change this to some other point, you can see that automatically it's picking up the right numbers for us. When you work with the XLookup functionality, we don't want to select the entire table. We can select what we want to do. If your VLOOKUP is static, you can work around with that with ease. So I'm going to use an XLookup functionality, typically like our lookup function, but I have more information here. I'm going to use the first three of the options: lookup value, lookup array, and return array. My lookup value is the order number. The lookup array is I'm going to select the order number alone in my list. And then when I come down to the return array, I'm going to select the quantity alone. Then when I give an OK, you can see automatically you get the answer for XLookup. Now let me add this to one more logic. This is the oldest formula that we are using. If you're not an Office 365 user, you can still enjoy this by using the final point. So I'm going to just copy the dimension in here. I'm going to use lookup function. So whatever I did in our earlier list, I'm about to do the same component here. So I'm going to just select the lookup value. Sorry, I'll just redo it. Equals lookup. Control A. I'm going to select the first option. Okay. Then you can see the lookup value is this, and lookup vector is this. This is the value that I'm looking, and finally my result vector. It's going to give you the same answer. So why the XLookup is better in this situation? So if I'm accidentally, or if I want to add one more column in between, when I do that, my VLOOKUP will give you a wrong answer. But if I go for a lookup or an XLookup functionality, you won't have any changes in your answer. Your answer will be pretty perfect. So if either a new column is added or one of the columns is deleted, your VLOOKUP function will give you a different answer. But whereas an XLookup functionality or a lookup functionality will not do that. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned a new topic. This is Vinod signing out from XLookup, your YouTube channel, and this is Excel User Series 2.0 video number 1. Stay safe, stay at home, keep learning, keep updating.